Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to upload guys Samsung phone guys data saver guys. How can we friends you want to off guys Samsung phone guys phone data saver. So how can you off it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we off Samsung phone guys phone data saver. So first of all guys you will have to on guys Samsung phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see the stuff setting in your Samsung phone device. So once click on my phone connection setting, then guys you can see the stuff setting in your Samsung phone. So when where is get data saver, as you can see data users guys tap here, and once you can see data saver is on. So guys again we will tap here, as you can see data saver. So once you want to off, so guys you can off from here this icon guys, tap here to turn off it. So once our data saver will off guys, we cannot use it. So like that guys you can turn off guys Samsung phone data saver. So bye guys, we will meet on next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.